One of the best things about West Virginia is that you can fish year-round, and the spring fishing season is one that certainly will not disappoint. Buffalo Creek in West Virginia is a place with a somber history.
We're here on the 49th anniversary of the flood disaster that claimed 125 lives. And so that's our primary reason for being here today. The governor was coming down to visit to recognize that. But we wanted to do something happy, so we thought we would bring our trout stocking trucks down today.
After years of rehabilitation work, Buffalo Creek is the perfect habitat for trout. And now they'll be seeing more of the species stocked there than ever before. More than 1,400 trout are expected to be released in the coming weeks.
It is amazing the good stuff that is happening right with our great DNR and all the good stuff that we're doing from the standpoint of our fisheries and all the wonderful stuff we're doing in regard to the nature in this unbelievable state.
Buffalo Creek is also scheduled to receive 2,500 fingerling rainbow trout this spring as well.
We're really making a big effort. We think that this stream is ready for it, and it's going to be great for the people of Maine and southern West Virginia as well. It'll help with tourism.
If you plan to trout fish this spring, you'll want to make sure that you have a valid, up-to-date fishing license with a trout stamp.